Alright guys, so after you click on the link and watch the video about particles and how they fill up or how they make up solids, liquids, and gases, I want you to do a little activity where you show me what you know. So I want you to take a piece of paper and draw a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Draw an object that's a solid, an object that's a liquid, and an object that's a gas, or that is filled with gas. And then I want you to use something around the house to fill those objects with particles the way they would be in that state of matter. So for an example, I've done one for you, and I'm going to show you this real quick. All right, so here's my picture. I've drawn an apple as my solid. This is just like a cup of water or juice for my liquid. And then I've got a balloon here that's filled with gas. You can use my objects here if you'd like, or you can make up your own. Just make sure you have it labeled solid, liquid, and gas. And then I've used just a bag of beans. You could use Cheerios, you could use beads, you could use rice, you could use anything you can find around the house that's small and even like these are. And then I've just kind of filled my objects with these beans. So remember, solids, the particles are packed really close together so that the object keeps its shape. And then liquids, the particles are spaced a little bit further apart. That gives liquid its movement, and the particles can move around and back and forth from each other. And then a gas, the particles are spaced much further apart, and that allows things to move back and forth between those particles easily. So I've shown the particle placement on these pictures, and then below each picture I want you to just write a couple things that you know about the solid, the liquid, and the gas. Here I have the solid, the particles are packed tightly together, and solids keep their shape. Liquids, the particles are spaced further apart, and liquids take the shape of its container because of that. And then for a gas, I have lots of space between the particles, and a gas fills up whatever container it's in because those particles have the freedom to move and fill because they have so much space in between them. If you want to write what I have, that's absolutely fine too. If you want to write something different, then I encourage you to do that.